Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Your support keeps the content coming. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications.
Is the Google Pixel 9 series the game changer we've been waiting for? With each new release, expectations soar higher, and this year is no exception. Every year, tech enthusiasts eagerly anticipate Google's latest Pixel phone release. The excitement is palpable as rumors and leaks build up to the grand unveiling. This year is no different. The Pixel 9 series has arrived, and it's packed with exciting new features and improvements. From enhanced camera capabilities to a sleek new design, there's a lot to talk about. But are these upgrades enough to make it a true flagship competitor? Let's dive in and find out. We'll explore every aspect of the Pixel 9 series to see if it lives up to the hype. The Pixel line has always been known for its clean software, impressive camera capabilities, and overall smooth user experience. These elements have consistently set it apart from the competition. With the Pixel 9 series, Google aims to address these shortcomings and deliver a truly premium smartphone experience. The new battery promises longer life, and the upgraded processor is designed to handle more demanding tasks with ease. From a brand new camera system to a powerful processor and a refined design, Google is pulling out all the stops. The camera in particular boasts advanced features that promise to elevate mobile photography to new heights. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the Pixel 9 series, exploring its specifications, features, and overall performance. We'll test its capabilities in real-world scenarios to see how it holds up. So buckle up and get ready for a detailed review of Google's latest and greatest. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if the Pixel 9 series is the right choice for you. Stay tuned as we uncover all the details and give you our honest opinion on whether this new release truly marks a new era of Pixels. Why are there not more people talking about the Google Pixel 9 series? With its impressive specs and features, it's a game changer in the smartphone market. Personalization is another key area where the Pixel 9 series shines. Users can customize their home screens and set up personalized routines. The design of the Pixel 9 series represents Google's vision for the future of smartphones. Sleek, modern, and packed with advanced features. In this future, software and hardware work together seamlessly to provide a truly intelligent and personalized mobile experience. Let's delve into the specifics and find out if the Pixel 9 series can live up to the hype and carve out its place in the spotlight. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty and talk specs. The Pixel 9 series is here, and it's packed with features that are sure to impress tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. The Pixel 9 series comes in two variants, the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro. Each model is designed to cater to different user needs. Both phones boast impressive hardware, but the Pro model naturally takes things up a notch. The Pixel 9 features a 6.4-inch OLED display, perfect for media consumption and everyday use. While the Pro boasts a larger 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery-smooth scrolling. Both phones are powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 processor, ensuring they can handle demanding tasks with ease. The Pixel 9 offers 8GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB of storage options. The Pixel 9 Pro bumps things up to 12GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 128GB to 1TB. Both phones are equipped with under-display fingerprint sensors and stereo speakers, and run on Android 14 out of the box. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the performance, camera capabilities, and unique features of the Pixel 9 series. Section 4. Picture Perfect. The Pixel 9 camera. The camera has always been a cornerstone of the Pixel's identity, and the Pixel 9 series is no exception. Google is touting significant improvements in camera technology, aiming to maintain its position as the king of computational photography. Both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro feature a new 50-megapixel primary sensor with larger pixels for improved low-light performance. The Pro model adds a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Google is introducing new software features like Magic Editor, which uses AI to make complex edits incredibly simple. You can remove unwanted objects, reposition subjects, and even change the lighting of your photos with just a few taps. These camera upgrades, combined with Google's renowned image processing algorithms, promise to deliver stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. But we'll put these claims to the test and share our findings in our in-depth camera review. Additionally, the Google Pixel Pro XL boasts a 64-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 10 times optical zoom, and a 20-megapixel ultra-wide lens, making it a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. Section 5. A visual feast, display and design. The Pixel 9 series sports a refined design language with subtle yet noticeable improvements over its predecessors. Both phones feature a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with a premium feel. The Pixel 9 boasts a polished aluminum frame, while the Pro model opts for a more premium stainless steel frame. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, giving you peace of mind in challenging environments. The display is a major highlight, particularly on the Pixel 9 Pro. Its 6.7-inch LTPO OLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an incredibly smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The adaptive refresh rate technology automatically adjusts the refresh rate based on the content being displayed, conserving battery life without compromising on smoothness. The Pixel 9 series offers a visually stunning and immersive experience, whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or simply navigating through the user interface. Pause 3s. Section 6. Powering through battery life and charging. The Pixel 9 series doesn't just impress with its design and display, it also excels in battery performance. Both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro come equipped with larger batteries compared to their predecessors, ensuring you get through your day with ease. The Pixel 9 houses a 4,500 mAh battery, while the Pixel 9 Pro steps it up to a 5,000 mAh capacity. Google has introduced new adaptive battery technology, which intelligently manages power consumption by learning your usage patterns. This means that even if you're a heavy user, the Pixel 9 series can optimize battery life to last longer between charges. When it comes to charging, both models support fast wired and wireless charging. With the included 30-watt charger, you can get up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Additionally, the Pixel 9 Pro features reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up other devices on the go. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 9 series brings a new era of innovation and performance. With its advanced specs, stunning camera capabilities, and sleek design, it stands out as a top contender in the smartphone market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable device, the Pixel 9 series is worth considering. Thank you for watching our full review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more